Portland, ready to kickstart your own handyman business? Imagine this. You, at the helm of your very own business, operating under the banner of a recognized and trusted brand. iHandyMan is that brand, and we're here to help you navigate the waters of entrepreneurship with our franchise opportunities. Dive into the world of hands-on home repair and installation services with our unit franchise opportunity. This is the perfect launchpad for your entrepreneurial journey, engaging directly with residential and light commercial customers. The beauty of this opportunity lies in its flexibility. Operate as a hands-on owner-operator or assemble a team to drive your venture. Everyone needs handyman services, and you could be the one to provide them. But what about those larger projects? Fear not. You have the freedom to bring in external contractors, overseeing projects and ensuring your clients are satisfied. Your office can be right at home, with or without a team. The choice is yours. For an investment starting at $39,900, you'll be equipped with all the tools and support needed to build a successful and fulfilling business. So why wait? Take the plunge into entrepreneurship with the trusted iHandyMan brand. Join us in delivering top-notch services to homeowners and light commercial clients. This is your chance to carve out your path in the world of business. Don't let it slip by. Visit our website at gfobrands.com/ihandyman/ for more information. Your journey to owning a thriving handyman business starts here. Take control of your future today.